Hi guys, so this is our last day. Tomorrow, go back to work. Go back to work. Back to work na tomorrow guys. So, maganda yung araw ngayon guys. So, pupunta kami ngayon ng maybe Turkey side or kahit na saan guys. At dadalhin namin yung passport guys. So, syempre, ilalabas yung mga voucher. Okay, guys. I-ready ko na siya guys para mamaya. Wala siyang laman guys, yung passport lang. So, para mamaya, hinintay ko lang, naglaba kasi ako guys. So, hintayin ko muna yung last na. Saka pa ako umalis. So, update ko kayo guys pag umalis na kami. Dahil bukas, back to work na guys. So, see you! Hello! Na-cheat kami na food. Bera, bera. Wow, good evening. This is also for me. See? Mainit-init pa siya guys. Yes.
The shrimp.
Yes.
Good it, baby.
Kain kayo guys.
Good it, baby. Buy one piece. Hey, buy one piece.
Okay. After. Pauwi na kami guys. Tapos na ang lunch. Lunch date. Oh, may bagong lipat guys. Lunch date namin. Pauwi na kami guys. It's very nice outside guys. So, it's sunny day. And after my clothes dry, baby,
Yes, of course.
because it's sunny day. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan siya guys. May pinuntahan lang siya. Hello.
What you doing, Babachi?
Nothing. I make video for you because I'm in love with you. Sure.
No.
Yan. Nag-stop muna kami guys. Yan pa uwi na. Let's go home.
No.
And nasa bahay na kami guys. Nandun yung asawa ko. Nasa labas. Nagsigarilyo. So time for movie. Guys. Tapos na kami sa labas. Kumain. Okay, back to home. Nood ako ng Sir Kevin. Yan. Sir Kevin, guys. Ay, nag-celebrate sila sa sa malaking bahay, sa maliit nilang bahay, guys. Ayan o, si Sir Kevin. Napaka-bless ni Sir Kevin, no? Yan, sana marating ko din yung ganyan, guys. Maging popular vlogger. Katulad ni Sir Kevin. Ayan, guys. Kain din ng cake at saka Pepsi. Yan, tomorrow is back to work. Wow, nagka-color brown silang lahat, guys, oh. Andun din yung asawa ko.